Welcome everyone to yet another interesting session of creating teaching contents using H5P2. Today we are going to learn one of the H5P tools, that is interactive videos. Videos that help to captivate the child's attention and arouse his curiosity. It is also a means by which we can understand the child's progress and assess his understanding of the concept. So to begin with, we sign in with h5p.org, as you must have already learnt in the previous videos, and you also must have created a new account. So I directly go into login to my account, wherein I am taken to my account in H5P. So now to start with, I go to try out H5P and it takes me to the H5P index. From the list of tools that are shown here, I select interactive video. The interactive video working page is now opened. The foremost thing that I need to do is I need to type in the title. Now for the title, suppose I want to type, the topic is based on birds. Suppose I want to type all about birds interactive video. Now remember to write this interactive video, because then we know whenever we want to pick up the content that we have created, we know that it is all, the topic is all about words and the technique used is interactive video. Now once that is done, let us understand the features. To begin with, there are 3 steps, step 1 and step 2 as well as step 3. Step 3 is optional. What is important is step 1 and step 2. Now, in step 1, we are going to upload a video. Certainly, you must be knowing that, as the name suggests, it is interactive video, so we cannot do without a video. So we need to upload a video. Now for that, let us click on this sign here, upload video. So either I can browse through or I can directly paste the URL of the video that I want. Now this has to be done prior to creating this video. So that is, you need to go to YouTube, select the video of your choice that is related to your content, and then copy the link and then you can paste it here. And then once you have done that, click on insert, click on insert. Now once you have inserted, your video is embedded here. That is all about the settings in step 1, that is uploading of the video. And then I go to step 2, that is next step, add interaction. So I click in add interactions. Now when I say add interactions, the video preview will open. Now this is a video that I have inserted. So now it is all about birds. Now I select this play button and I let the video play.
If it were to cross
Now
us with 400 kilometers per hour whilst free falling. Oh, check out its cute little babies.
Now at one particular point, I want to insert interactive elements. For that, you need to know what are interactive elements. Now look at this menu here, you can see a couple of interactive elements. These elements can be inserted within the video. There are different types of elements. One type are the ones which are informative, that is, I can add a text, I can add a label or column or a link. A link is an element wherein I can insert it in the video if I feel the child needs to get extra information. So if I insert the link, you can always use that link and browse it to get extra information. Then I can add image. Now this side of the elements are all the quiz kind of questions. For example, single choice, multiple choice, then and so on. True or false, drag the text, and all these are the varieties of elements that are there. Now I want to add the element at this particular point, that is 0.56 timing. So then I shall select, suppose I want to select a MCQ kind of question. Now the moment I select MCQ kind of question, it will note down the time, then pause the video. Yes, I need to pause the video when that interactive element pops up. Then I'll select this button. I want the button to click on. Then I'll put the label. Label is what is the nature of the question, that is MCQ. Okay, and then I leave it as untitled multiple choice and I come to the first question. The first question is which is the first question is the fastest bird is. Now here you can see below there are various options. There is text 1, then there is option, one more option, and a yet another option we can add. Now remember, whenever you are adding the options, the one which is the right one, correct one, should be added in the first text field. So here I will write the fastest bird is peregrine falcon and mark it as tick. In the second one I type, suppose I type emu bird. It is, do not mark tick as it is a wrong option, and I add a yet another option, that is, suppose I mark it as robin. Okay, now these are the markings that are done. Once that is done, I directly go to the behavioral settings. In the behavioral setting, enable the retry button, yes. Enable show solution, no, because I don't want to show the solution. The child has to answer, learn, see the video and answer. Then give 1 point for the task, yes. We can randomize the answers, and yes, we require answer before the solution can be viewed, yes, certainly yes. Now these are the markings that need to be done. Show confirmation dialog on check, yes. Show confirmation dialog on retry, yes. And then directly go to adaptivity. In adaptivity you can mark require full scores for task before proceeding. Now all these are the settings for the MCQ type of questions. Now once I have done that, go to done. Now it will take me here. Now let us have a preview. I just click, I'll take the marking here. Now you can see there is a small circular ring, that is the element that has been embedded in this video. So now when I play the button, when I play the video, now
On
the
the other hand, the American woodcock is the slowest bird on the planet.
now let us see what happens when the play button touches that circular ring.
Flying at a mere speed of 8 kilometers per hour. Oh, check out his cute little babies.
Okay, now you can see here there is an MCQ pop-up which has come. So when we go to the view page, when we click on this particular hand button, the questions will pop up, that I will show you later. Now we will add one more element. So we will go a little further and we will add another element. We will listen to the video.
This tiny hummingbird also holds an impressive record. Besides being the smallest bird, it can also flap its wings. It looks
Okay, now here at this point I will add another element. So for example, I want to type here the dragon type of questions, drag the test. Okay, now this is what will open up. Drag the text. It will tell me the time at which I have paused the video. Select pause the video, select the hand button, and again put the label. I will type here drag the text. Then I will type here title is again drag the test. Task description is the instruction given, that is drag the word into the correct box. Then I go to the questions. I need to type the questions in this particular field. Now you all have learned drag the text in the day before. You'll have already learned that. So now I'm going to type in the sentence, the smallest bird is the, now I'll put an asterisk and I'll type humming bird. Okay. Second, the fastest bird is peregrine falcon, and again I put an asterisk. Now I have already typed these questions. Okay, now this asterisk is to indicate the word that can be dragged. Okay, now we go to the behavioral settings. Enable retry, yes. Enable show solution, no. Then we go to adaptivity, require full scope for task before proceeding. Now remember these markings. Then we go to the done button. Now we see here a second element has been inserted. You can see here the second element has been inserted. So now let's see what happens when the play head goes till that element.
Incredible! They beat so fast that you can hardly even see them. It look.
Okay, so you can see here drag the test has popped up. Now once this is done, we will go to click save. And we can go directly to the view options. Now it takes me to the view option, and now let us see how the video gets. I'll start the video. I'll forward it a bit.
On the other hand, the emit of 8 kilometers per hour. Oh, check out its cute little babies.
Now see here, we had put those MCQs. It has popped up. So suppose this child answers as Robin and check, it is wrong. It says retry. Then I go to MO, wrong. Again that is wrong. Again retry. Then I mark peregrine falcon, check, and it says right. The moment I give a right answer, I get a star here, and then I can continue with the video. Now we proceed again. The video continues and I reach till the second element.
They beat so fast that you can hardly even see them. It looks.
Now the moment it reaches the second element, now my droppable drag the text questions have popped up. The smallest bird is the, suppose I type here and I put this and I put this one here and I put this here and I check, I get all of them wrong. Okay, then I fine. So then the retry. So this is how we have interactive videos wherein various elements are put. Now suppose I go to the edit button. I go to the edit here. Remember, there are many interactive elements that can be added. Now I have explained two. It is not possible for me to explain all because then the video would be longer, but it is for you to explore the various elements and insert them in the videos. You can add more than 2 or 3 in the elements. Okay, now this is all about interactive videos. Remember, when you're doing the editing and you make the add the interactions, always click save before you go into the view page. This is all about interactive videos, and it is a way by which we can really make the teaching learning process more enjoyable for both the teacher and the student. Thank you.